Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2018 GMC Canyon SLE. This accident-free crew cab is powered by a 2.8 liter 4-cylinder diesel engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, getting you an average of roughly 8 to 12 liters per 100 kilometers. Now, checking out the box on this 4x4 truck, you have the tonneau cover, the easy step bumper, as well as lots of storage space on your standard box. Moving to the interior, you have wood grain on the door panel, premium cloth seats with power adjust position and height. On the dash, you have your headlight and 4x4 controls along with your tow brakes. On the steering wheel is your cruise control with forward collision warning, and on the right side is your hands-free audio. This truck currently has 82,604 kilometers. Here's your nice large infotainment unit, your automatic climate controls, exhaust brake and accessories including lane departure warning. Down here you have a pocket with 12-volt adapter, USB and auxiliary audio jack. Moving to the rear of the interior, you have a rubber floor mat, the premium cloth seats, which are 60-40 split folding. You can fold them up here. You also have a flip-out cup holder in the center seat. In the middle, you have two USB ports, a 12-volt power adapter, and a storage cubby. And in the rear of the passenger front seat is a storage pocket. Thank you for watching the walk-around video on this 4x4 2018 GMC Canyon SLE. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, and our sales team will happily show you around.